Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're reviewing a multifunctional 5-in-1 hand blender designed to make cooking faster, easier and more convenient at home. If you enjoy preparing smoothies, soups, sauces, desserts or healthy homemade recipes, this kitchen appliance could become one of your favorite everyday tools. One of the biggest advantages of this blender is its versatility. Thanks to multiple included attachments, the appliance can handle a variety of kitchen tasks, including blending, mixing, chopping, whisking, and preparing different ingredients quickly and efficiently. The powerful motor helps create smooth textures for smoothies, cream soups, sauces, baby food, protein shakes, and many other recipes. Even tougher ingredients can be processed more easily thanks to the strong blending system. Another important advantage is the ergonomic and compact design. The blender is comfortable to hold and easy to control during use, making cooking more convenient and less tiring. The stainless steel blending components also improve durability and help provide reliable performance for everyday kitchen use. Cleaning the appliance is relatively simple because the accessories can be removed easily after cooking. This type of blender is especially useful for people who enjoy healthy lifestyles, quick breakfasts, homemade drinks, or meal preparation without using large kitchen machines. Overall, this 5-in-1 hand blender combines power, versatility, and convenience in one compact appliance, making it a practical addition to almost any kitchen. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.